Breaking crypto news. These crypto assets are growing exponentially before our very eyes in the depths of this crypto winter. So let's see what's been going on since the start of the year in address growth. Flow starting off at 3 million, Near starting off at 2 million. Now they're at 15 million and 20 million. Massive growth. Algo sitting at 27 million addresses, a huge asset. Hbar hash graph breaching 1.1 million, very early stage. Now the assets with the most growth in this column are going to outperform the rest of the assets in the coming bull run because they're the most undervalued, the most oversold, because it's almost guaranteed that since the start of the year, these assets prices are way lower than where they began, but the bullish fundamentals are way higher. And so that's why we stay on top of this data. Now let's take a look at some other metrics. Total transactions on popular blockchain platforms. This comes from Phantom. So it's only showing the assets that Phantom is beating, but it is a crucial metric. So total transactions, Phantom 386 million, beating Near, beating Avalanche, beating Crypto.com, crushing Cardano. And so it does speak to how potentially undervalued Phantom is. Obviously, we have to stay on top of the market as it evolves. Now, here is a crucial insight into the VeChain Foundation. How much money do they have? They literally are sharing that information with us. So in Q1 2022, at the end of it, they had $1.2 billion. That's so much money. Now, at the end of Q2, actually, they have 535 million. They're probably going to report a new number at the end of Q3, but that is a lot of money, 535 million. It only went down because of the crypto winter, so the value of their assets went down. But $535 million in capital in their war chest to spend. It is a very high quality asset. Now let's just take a look. Let's take a second to appreciate everything going on in the Chainlink ecosystem. This is mind-blowing, and why I do say it is the most undervalued, most crucial asset in the entire world, pretty much in terms of Web3. $6.18 trillion transaction value enabled, 15,000 public GitHub repos using Chainlink, 1,500 projects in the Chainlink ecosystem, 8 million randomness requests were served, 4.2 billion data points delivered on chain. This asset is absolutely massive, and none of us own enough of it. It is truly early stage. Let's just take a look at what is going on with Uniswap. I don't normally cover decentralized exchanges. I don't normally buy them because there's so much competition and you don't know which one's really going to win. But Uniswap Labs eyes $200 million in fresh funding, valuing Uniswap Labs at $1 billion. You can't argue that this company has made a lot of incredible moves. They have lots of volume, and now they are flush with cash. And so it is a potentially massive early stage asset. We will stay on top of that. We will stay on top of this market. This excites me so much because what it's showing is that the put to call ratio is at a record high, meaning people are record bearish. They're buying puts, which are shorts against the market. And so I love seeing when the market gets skewed like this, how everyone gets squeezed out. We are set up for a short squeeze.